Charlie Oscar Tango Yankee, Mike Yankee November Delta. Those are some movers. Charlie Oscar Tango Yankee COTY. Very interesting. Okay, so Zulu Kilo India November entry 333. Stop's going to be at 256. Just got to size down if you're going to take this. Really wide and crazy risk parameters. I am going to cancel Zulu Kilo India November. ZKIN signal canceled. I just don't think it's going to come back to the range that we want. And VWAP had traded pretty aggressively higher. So the theoretical support's coming into play at a higher price. But I did call Mike Delta Juliet Hotel, and it's in the buy range right now. You guys should strongly consider this particular signal. Very thin stock, as is ZKSO. They are trading a little bit thinner. Afria is breaking out. Guys, Kush Bottles is about to break out. Oh, that's because, what's Tilray doing? They're almost at 85 now. Tilray, true breakout today. That's great to see. We needed it.